How to change navigation bar style or buttons. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can change your navigation bar style or buttons on your Android device. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up your settings menu. From your settings, you need to go ahead and access display settings, where you can find your navigation bar settings. Scroll down and find navigation bar and simply tap on it. Once you go here, as you can see, I'm currently using swipe gestures. So what that means is if I want to go back, I can swipe from either side of my screen to go back, just like this. If I want to go home, I can swipe up from the bottom of your screen, and I can swipe up and hold from the bottom to bring out recent apps. Now, if you want to change it back to buttons, you can go ahead and tap on this buttons option. And if you go ahead and tap on more option here, you can find an option to switch the order of the buttons. Now, this is the first thing you can do. There's one other thing you can do with the swipe gestures. So what you basically do is tap on the swipe gesture option, select it, and go to more option. And if you tap on more option here, you can find two other choices. The first one is the basic ones that it's just selected right now. That is swipe from the side for back, swipe from the bottom for home, and that's it. Now the other one right here is swipe from bottom. What happens is swipe on each area of the bottom of your phone to go back, home, or view recent apps. So if I select this, I had a single bar previously, but now I have three bars that does the same thing. So you can change the button orders. Let's say if I want to back on the right hand side, I can swipe it here and it will be my back button. I can swipe from the middle, that will be my home, and I can swipe up from the left hand side, and that's gonna be my recent apps. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the video helpful, like it and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.